Simulate bastard.
Bro. Video. In today's video, we guys scammed my first account.
Merda.
Oh meu Deus!
Oh meu Deus. Oh meu Deus. Oh meu Deus.
No fucking way. Bro. Full stacked.
Oh meu Deus. Oh meu Deus. Oh meu Deus. Oh meu Deus. Zucker, fai veloce, fai il qui.
Dove?
È easy da loggare in. C'è il tutorial. Intanto inizio a scammare quest'altro coglione io.
Bro, you
Yes.
changed the email.
What?
You changed the email, bro.
No.
What are you doing, man? Tu que marcame el Gmail.
¿Qué dices?
Bro, you changed the email.
No.
Yeah, what are you doing, bro?
I don't understand.
Bro,
No.
you
J'ai
changed
pas
the email.
compris.
Bro, you changed the email. Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Ma. ¿Pero cómo la cambié?
Tu que l'ha cambiato, bro?
Devo guardare al patto cambiato.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
What are you doing?
You changed the email, bro.
No. Mi pare che entrega il puto il che
Ok,
davanti,
bro.
capito?
I can't recover the account, bro.
Il para comprendero.
¿Ah?
Fucking
Pa
scammer, bro.
comprendero, il pado comprendero.
Para comprender.
Fucking scammer, bro.
What? Didn't I'm in the... Excuse me. Spari.
No.
Mi segue sotto la droga.
Chaskin ma è dog shit, sincero. Ci sta,
Sì?
ci sta.
Coglione, seriamente
Ci sta
lascio
come
un
altro.
po' di merda dei pugni.
What did you say? You changed the email?
He
Or
changed.
did
He
you
changed.
get,
No, he
or
changed
did
the
you
email.
get log out?
I got my email got changed.
Your email got changed. What's your
Yeah.
email?
I mean, what's my email?
Like what do you mean? Like what do you want me to do? Do I have to change your email?
No,
Do I
no,
have to
no.
log in?
When AJ logged into my account, like the email got changed and my
No, no.
password. He also changed my password.
I'm logged in.
You're logged in. Why is AJ in my?
Wait, I'm the one. Am is the one logged in. AJ is the one playing. Did you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. Where you from?
Norway.
No way.
Yeah, Norway.
Wait, did you buy the account?
Yeah.
Oh,
Godo.
lo so.
Godo come pochi.
What?
I can screen share.
I can screenshot you.
Oh, you can
Just in
screen share?
case I want to check something.
What do you want to screen? You want to screen share or not?
Yeah.
Like you want to play?
No.
Like, wait, would you want AJ to log out so you can play?
No, it's not that. It's like my Gmail got changed, like from Riot Games, you know.
Your email changed.
Yeah. Like my email got changed, you know. Like it changed just now when I like let you guys log in from like my Riot Games email changed, and the password got changed too.
To log in the Gmail account, or what?
Wait, no. Just play. I'll ask my friend. Just.
Alright, thank you.
Siamo.